Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to create Grubhub account. So if you also want to create Grubhub account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice, or you can also launch open the Grubhub application if you want. If you have opened the browser, what you have to do is click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now simply type in grubhub.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Grubhub. From here you'll be able to get the food delivery services. So if you want to create an account, it is very simple. For that, what you have to do is click on the sign in option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to sign into your account. If you already have an account, you can directly sign into your account. You can also continue with Facebook or continue with Google. But if you want to create your Grubhub account, simply click on the option create your account that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to create your account. All you have to do is fill in these details that you can see right over here. First of all, enter your first name. Now enter your last name. Now after that, what you have to do is enter your email address. Simply click on the option of email. Now enter your email address. Now after that, what you have to do is create a password for yourself. Your password must contain 8 characters minimum, uppercase letter, lowercase letter, special character and number. Simply click on the box of password. After that, create the password for yourself. If you want to stay signed in, check on the box keep me signed in. Now after that, what you have to do is click on the option create your account that you can see right over here on your screen. If you do not want to go through this, you can also continue with Facebook or continue with Google. Here I'm just going to create my account with this. Now after doing that, you can see over here your account will easily be created. So that is how you create Grubhub account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.